This drink is cool, refreshing, and perfect for the summer heat. Today I'm going to show you how to make this creamy, frozen watermelon lemonade. First, cut half a watermelon into cubes, then freeze it. But if you don't feel like cutting a whole watermelon, you can always just freeze the pre-cut watermelon sold in stores. Next, cut 4 to 5 lemons and then squeeze the juice from the lemons in a measuring cup. You should end up with a half a cup of lemon juice. Now add 5 cups of cubed frozen watermelon in a high-powered blender. Then add 2 cups of ice, half a cup of lemon juice, half a cup of condensed milk, and half a cup of water. Cover the blender and blend everything until smooth. If you're having trouble blending everything together, try cutting the watermelon into smaller pieces or blending the watermelon first and then adding the other ingredients. Once you finish blending everything together, pour the frozen watermelon lemonade in a glass. Then garnish the top with cubed watermelon, a slice of lemon, and mint. And this is the finished result. This drink is so good, it's sweet and refreshing. Absolutely perfect for a hot summer day. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!